Hey friend, and welcome to another vlog. Just chilling right now, y'all. It's so cold in here. I just got done doing my workout for today. I did upper body, some resistant bands, some weights, stuff like that. But I have a bathtub for Skye, and I'm about to open it, and I just was like, oh, might as well share it with you guys. I think I'm gonna start bathing her outside because I have a little gated area, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, I need to bathe her outside. It's nice and sunny. Get me out of the house, get Skye out. So I think I'm gonna do that tomorrow though, because it's dark right now, so I'm not gonna go wash her in the dark. How y'all doing? My house looks a mess. The cleaning lady, hopefully she come tomorrow. Good morning. It's the new day. It's the next day. I went ahead and put her bed together. This is Skye's new bed. Look at it, look at it, look at her. Little kitty. She gonna come on in, look at her. Who told you to come in here? Huh? Girl, anywho. Here go her bed, and we're about to take it out to the side because it's time to give you a bath. It's bath time. Bath time, poo. Bath time, poo. Oh, I love you. How you feeling? How you feeling, poo? Aw, she gonna sit down. She's so cute. All right, y'all. I'm gonna try to see if I can set the camera up so y'all can see me bathe her. All right, now that Skye got the hurry up and get me out of this bathtub face on, I'm gonna show you guys how we drain it, because there's water in here. Look at it, okay? Y'all can't even see how to drain it, but just pull this. The water's about to come out. Simple, easy peasy, skizzle. Now let me get you a towel. Yo, she was trying to get her hand out. I said no, and this is the face she gave me. No. Stay in it. Put your hand down. Stay. I mean, you can put your hands in there, but you're gonna be stuck. You're not gonna be able to move. You're drying off. You puffing and fluffing. But you puffing and fluffing, so we're all done. Give me 5. That was cool. That was a cool wash day, Skye. I haven't combed her yet. I just blew her out, but I'm gonna let her be. Let her be. Let her be. Hey, yo, boo-boo. Hey, yo, boo-boo. You know she wanna play. Alright. You was a good girl. You could play. Alright, friend. I'm trying to do a lot today. I'm actually deep conditioning. Actually, I should put my hair in a plastic thing because I'm just letting it free. I just felt like having my hair out and free, but I'm deep conditioning. I haven't styled it or anything. Put me a cap on. Probably gonna put my little towel on. And then I'm gonna deep clean my kitchen today. Actually, I wanna deep clean my freezer today. And then I'm gonna go through my closet and clean out some clothes. And then I'm gonna come in here and deep clean out a few of my products. Lego friend. This is what my freezer is looking like right now, friends. So I got like a bunch of Skye's food just sitting on top. Like all this ice cream is old. There's some raspberries spilled right here. Nothing is really organized. Like if I wanted to make a smoothie, I mean, yeah, I can grab that, but I'm pretty sure there's some more smoothie stuff down up in there. So I want to go ahead and organize this. So I'm gonna take this stuff out and then we're gonna reorganize it, put it back in. All right, y'all, so it's all organized now. I have Skye's food here. I have all of my smoothie stuff here and acai bowls, basically frozen fruit. My favorite fruit ever. Then I have all the meats in this compartment here and then all the vegetables here. I don't know why I haven't done this before. Keeps it organized and we good. Y'all, this is my little struggle meal. All I made was some chicken. Ooh, it's so juicy though. Ooh, I'm a little ashy. You see that? Ooh, girl, don't be in my hand like that. Ooh. I really want feta cheese. And I have this, but honey, it says it expired in May, so can't eat that. I'm really sad about it because I really wanted feta, but I put some shredded cheese on it. And this is just some spinach. The spinach is kind of old. It's not the best, but like I said, it's a struggle meal. These little bagel chips, put some jalapenos and some banana peppers in there. Chicken. I don't know what kind of dressing I want to use though. I'm thinking some zesty Italian. Okay, girlfriend. I'm gonna use this. Yeah, and possibly a little bit of ranch, just because I want it to be a little creamy, friend, just a little bit, you know. It's a new day, but you can't see me, cause I look a mess all today. My bars just went south, but I want to show y'all. I got some Instacart and some groceries. So if you guys don't know about Instacart, this is not sponsored by the way, but I use them so much that I should probably say something. So, you know, you basically get your groceries delivered to your house and it's from any store. Well, not any store, but whatever's pretty much around your area. So today I ordered from Publix. I got a lot of stuff, y'all. I got some vegetables. What I see? Well, I got some fruit. Got some strawberries, some blackberries. Okay, so I got salad stuff. Got a bunch of spinach. I'm gonna use these for my smoothies. I got some tomatoes and some sweet pepper rings, some more eggs, watermelon, breads. I wanted some hot dog buns, hamburger buns, and some sandwich bread. So I got some water. Let's see what else we got in here. Orange juice. I like to pour my orange juices in my containers. As you can see, I pour my orange juice in here, so I will be adding that. If y'all want to see my refrigerator, here it is. I mean, I cleaned out the freezer. I cleaned out the refrigerator as well. You do have to defrost the dog food, so I went ahead and put that there. I don't know why I'm holding on to these. I only used a few, and I'm like, I need to save that. But yeah, so there's not much in my refrigerator, so that's why I was like, yep, time to get groceries. So we got some shrimp. I had to go ahead and get the jumbo shrimp this time. Y'all know last time I had the other shrimp. I didn't get much meat because I'm like, I already have a lot of meat, but these are the shrimps I had, but they're medium, but they're just too small. So I got the jumbo shrimp. I also got some salmon fillets. As y'all see, it's $26, but this is a lot of salmon. I think I got like 4 or something. It's pretty heavy. Got some more heavy whipping cream. Got some more plastic plates because I don't like washing dishes. I'm not sure if you guys saw my pantry organization videos. I'll put them below, y'all, so y'all can check those out because I know I have a lot of new followers here. I don't like to put the original packaging in my refrigerator, so I love this like egg holder. I don't know, I'm obsessed with it. So I'm just adding the eggs from this carton in here, and it holds a lot of eggs, and it just looks a lot better in my fridge. So that's what I'm doing, and that's why I pour my milk and my orange juice and stuff like that into other containers. All right, the fridge is packed. A lot different in it, I know. So I got all my stuff in here. I got all my veggies, my salad stuff. Make some cauliflower. I want to make some slaw dogs one day with some Nathan's hot dogs. Oh my God, I love them things. Pop them things up on a grill it or something like that. Oh my God, it's gonna be like a grilled hot dog amazingness. I got all my veggies here so I can easily access them. All of my fruit here. Love mangoes. Got some limes, lemons for my drinks. Blackberries, strawberries. You know, my eggs back there. Orange juice, milk, and some Cool Whip because Skye loves this, okay? She loves this. And, oh, my salmon. I'm gonna make some salmon today. I might do a salmon salad with my feta cheese and some cucumbers. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these cucumbers up and put them in a container. I want access to them, so I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna put the other one in some vinegar, salt and pepper, friend, because I need that. Hi guys, so this vlog is a little short because I am filming another video. I done went through all my products, friend. I went through all my stuff. Y'all know it's about giveaway time, friend. Look at my hair, friend. I am very disappointed in my hair. Look at it. It is so hard and weird. I gotta wash this out today. This is not gonna work. Like, I've tried stretching it. It just looks weird. It looks so weird. So I'm gonna redo it. I'm not gonna tell you what I use, but I use a new gel and I don't know. It's okay, but I gotta figure out some stuff because I don't like how this has no real movement. Yeah, my ends are moving, but my roots feel like an afro puff mess. Let me just let some y'all in. Like, when all the hair moves together like this, when you just grabbing a little part like that, I don't like it. I don't like it. Yeah, y'all, so I gotta do all this, still working on organizing this stuff, but I just want to show y'all my hair look a mess, girl, a whole hot mess. And yeah, I need to go do something about it. But I hope you guys really like this vlog. It wasn't long, but I wanted to include some things that I did this week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.